Let's go closer.
What?
What is it doing?
I stay in the balloons.
Balloons. What's the silly app doing?
These are the balloons.
Oh no. We need to help. We need to help Elf.
I'll put
Go
it
down.
I'll put it in the tree.
Yeah, put it back in the tree. Morning.
I do my sleeping. I started giving the presents.
All 3 more sleep till Santa's give you the presents. Mommy rearrange all your playroom. So tell me, what toys do you have for all the kids later? You got egg? He was telling me before.
I got egg. I got goldie. I got apple. I got car. I got car. I got a basketball. I got dishes. I got this. I got a car. I got ice. I got basketball player.
Ayan, ate wants breakfast now, ate. Do you want Nutri-Grain with pigs? Yeah? So mamaya, alis lang kami sa gate ni ate kasi kailangan kong bumili ng blue dots para sa balloons. And then, we're gonna bake and cook later.
I'll go be the bag.
Yeah, gonna bake some chocolate fudge brownies. Ito yung bigay kay Harley nung sa Christmas bag niya from her school. So, i-bake ko to para mamaya. Ayan guys, nakabili kami ng glue for the balloons. So, si Zoe, pinapakat lang namin ng string. Wow, we're gonna marinate. Ito, this one, this long ate ha?
Ito? Yeah.
Yeah. Marinate si ate and then ako mag-bebe.
Dami strings.
Ito yung made siya. Ito yung icing. Lagyan pa lang ng icing. Egg. So, can you tell them what you're gonna make?
I'm making a fucking egg.
Chocolate.
Chocolate
fudge.
Wow, what is it? Oh, what's that?
And put the barbecue
Wow!
marinade.
I'm making a sauce.
Yeah, the sauce. We're gonna make it yummy.
If not, finds the tray.
So good.
Yeah, yummy.
It's gonna be yummy.
Oh.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, like that.
Oh.
Lightly mix. So the ketchup will dissolve.
Oh, yummy.
Yummy barbecue.
So, we need daw 1 tablespoon of
Wow.
water. So,
Oh, gosh.
like 20 ml.
Yum.
Yum.
5 tablespoon ng
Yum.
and 2 eggs lang. Yun lang.
Marinate it, marinate it.
A pen.
Don't jump on that one. You can fall.
What happened to your pants?
There.
It's falling off. Silly boy.
Is that not pants?
That's undies.
That's your undies.
Happy fun.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Sakto naman lang.
Sweet Santa Claus can make you happy.
Doon naman siya.
Santa Claus will make you happy.
Santa Claus will make you happy.
All I want for Christmas is you.
Some Christmas spirit.
Santa.
How many days? How many sleeps before Santa comes?
I got presents.
I got presents.
Are you sure?
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Are you sure you got present from
Oh my
Santa?
God. Don't be too confident, Raka.
No.
Okay. There you go. Well done.
Santa Claus will make you happy. Noong una din natin alaman.
Yummy.
All I want for Christmas lang pala yung kinakanta niya. Sabi ko sa lyrics yung Santa Claus will make you happy.
Santa
Well,
Claus will make you happy.
what are you gonna make?
I'm making a chocolate egg.
Brownie.
Funny.
For this one?
I put this one. Hey,
Here. Pour this one first. Pour the powder. Wait, you gotta mix the ano first?
I did mine.
And then the butter? Butter first before you mix? Maybe.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Wow. Sweaty egg.
Yes, anak. Marami ka
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Ilan? 20?
Kailangan ko pala mag-mix ng butter.
Shut up, baby.
Ilan yung isang
I
plastic
did,
na rin? Okay, what's next?
Next,
Butter.
I got sweaty egg.
Water.
What is sweaty
1
egg?
tablespoon of water.
Water.
Talaga ba?
Wow.
1 tablespoon lang.
I said it's water.
2 eggs.
2 eggs. A black egg. Oh, I'm broken the egg.
Good cracking.
Good cracking. May nalaglag na ano, shell.
Weh, wala.
Ayun ha.
May so tiny, grabe ah. You're not gonna be,
Oh my god. Baby,
Saan sa baby?
what the?
3, 4.
The more butter, the more tasty. Just pour it all.
Wow.
5.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Pour it
Mix.
all.
Ay, yummy. Hey, mommy, water turn.
Wait, mommy first.
Ah.
Tiger.
Tiger, look. Chocolate.
Yes, what is it?
Show him.
Wow. What is it? Oh, yummy. Oh, man.
Oh man. Pwede ka na sa commercial ng Alaska.
That's that one. Yummy, look at it. Yummy, look at it.
Ano ba?
Yummy, yummy,
Chocolate.
yummy, yum.
Here. Give me a finger. Now like this.
Hey!
Then taste it. Oh, is it yummy?
Okay. Mmm.
Is it yummy, baby?
Yummy?
Very sticky.
Ah, ganun pala. Very good ah.
Darling, I get you on my mind when Christmas comes to town. It's getting
Ayan guys, nilagyan din namin ng balloons dyan. Ayan, ito na siya. Ayan na. O, diba? At least yung kami magpa-photos. Photoshoot ng mga person dyan. Anyway, gawa na tayo ng lunch. Magkikesadilla lang kami today. Ayan, marami tayong pagkain. So, magkikesadilla na lang kami. Ito pala yung brownie natin guys. So, ilagay ko muna siya sa ref. And then, ito yung icing niya mamaya. Lunch na si Riker Flynn and ate. Gumawa na rin ako ng fruit platter namin guys. So, ilagay ko muna to sa ref. Yan. May cherries, may mango. Yung mango lang nga maputla. Ayan guys, gumawa din ako ng sweet platter. Pero mamaya ako na ilalabas yun siyempre. Ito para sa adults and teenagers kasi licorice yan. Pero ito sa mga kiddos. Ate's home guys and daddy. Oh, Holly.
Oh, Holly, look.
You wanna see the decorations?
Have a look.
Riker's asleep.
Grandma.
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 Happy birthday, Grandma.
Don't you think it's grandma?
Happy birthday.
What?
You guys, nakabihis na tayo. Now, isasalang ko na yung pork. So, sa oven ko lang siya ilalagay guys kasi hindi ko siya ilalagay dun sa barbecue. Same lang naman. Gas din naman kasi yun sa barbecue. Alasin ko na guys. Pero ano naman sila pupunta? 5. 6 o'clock. Ligo na yung mga bata. Pinaligo ni Ben. So, all this thing lang.
You gonna do them on the barbecue?
Oh, just in here.
Yeah? You don't want to fire up the barbecue bag?
No. It's the same thing. It's gas. So, ayan. Dalawang tray na siya. Hindi na ako nagka-time magkulot. Pakulot sana ako. Hindi pa nga na-wash tong hair. Okay. Ayan, yung dress ni ate, yung Elsa dress niya.
I said it.
Kinat na ni ate ang
Mommy,
brownies.
Mommy, where's the elf?
Where is he?
Where's the elf?
Ang tagal na nitong dress na to sa akin.
Oh, diba? Mabagay ka sa ano?
Bagay ako kasi
Yeah.
magkulay kami. Ano kasi kulay kami ni ate? Ang dalaga. Ang dalaga. Ang matangkad ko sa akin. Kaya ng spaghetti, guys. What? Mamaya, pag-try na yung hair ni ate, tarihan ko yan.
Oh, man.
Look at our brownies.
Mommy.
Babe.
Okay.
I don't need any presents, 'cause I know I have you. I just need you and me, and I know it will be a magical day. You make it all okay. It's a magical day. The rest just fades away. It's you and me.
Guys, ito na yung ating pork belly barbecue.
Ilang order ang gusto nyo?
Sarap.
Ay, din.
Gawa tayo ng onion kamatis. May kamatis ba tayo dyan?
Suka.
Ah.
Yes. Suka. Do you have pipino there?
Wala akong pipino. Si Raiko nag-aantay na nga dito. Kasi mamaya na kami kumain. Kasi magkipicture muna kami bago sila madumihan. Everything. Yeah. We have more. Wow! Look at that, guys. It's actually a bit chilly. That's a lot of bubbles, guys. Wow! Wow! That's like magic with the wind! Oh. Ayan na yung ating pork barbecue. Ang sarap, guys. Dapat lagi mo pala sa gitna yung sauce mo, te.
Ano sa suka?
Just in time. Oh, she crashed
Just want you close. I got all this joy in my heart. And if it's getting dark, yeah, we can go inside. Baby, won't you hold me tight? I don't need
Ayan. Nandito na yung mga bisita natin. Ayan ang mga handa natin, guys. Sarap. Homemade. Binili. Sarap. Ano to? Kasaba? Oh. Barbecue, pansit, and kare-kare.
Ano pa niyan dok mo dito?
Ay, doon na lang sa ano. Fruit platter. Meron pa kami ibang dessert, pero mamaya na ilalabas. Sarap. Kain tayo. Kumakain na yung mga person.
Ano, kare-kare?
Kain na ang mga person. Wala pa sila Mary Grace eh.
Just need you and me, and I know it will be a magic holiday. You make it all okay. It's a magic holiday.
Wala tayo ng Aperol Spritz, guys. Ma?
We have to put the ice first.
Malasing.
We put the ice first.
I-open ko muna ito tayo. So, ilan tayo? Si Ben? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Happy New Year.
Pag may party sa Pilipino, dito rin may order ng pagkain.
Sa kanya na? Kasi malapit lang din, no?
Nagugulat na ako, tatlo na lang. Meron pa kami, aso kami ate, maliit. Parang piglet. Ang cute.
Isa pa, no?
Come in the freezer.
Alaman, tapos ko. Tapos pag magluluto
I told Ella she can try. It's refreshing.
sa sungit pa eh.
Okay ba?
Dinisope.
Ah, it's in the freezer.
Yes.
Tapos dito na kaagad.
There you go. Done.
Pero aalis pa lang, so 1 year pa yan. Habang 3 months, untis na ako.
Ano ilalagay? Ano natin? Yes!
Good, good, good.
Oh, black.
Aperol Spritz.
Oh, wow. That's
That's a big bit of ice. Chunky.
orange. Fruit.
Got your food, mum?
Let the party started.
Some Aperol Spritz. Okay. But Daddy,
Wait for me.
Nailing it.
Alam mo sa ko?
Mag-cheers tayo.
cheers!
Mag-cheers tayo.
Kasi na makakuha ng ano, siya yung magbabasa ng joke. Sige. Go. Oh, ikaw magbabasa ng joke niyan.
Ako magbabasa.
Siya maghuhula.
Ano sabi?
Ayan yung hat dye.
Ay, itong hat.
Oo, ay suot niyo muna yung hat.
Ikaw wala kang hat.
Oo, doon na lang sa isa.
Because I'm the queen. Asan ang joke? Walang joke dahil.
Meron yan.
Wala, ruler.
Meron yan. May papel dyan.
Meron na yun. Baka nandun sa kanya. Saan yung sa'yo?
Oh, ito.
Ayan na, nasa ayan. Ah, dito ka para mabasa yung ano.
Show.
Dito ka sa tabi niya.
Sa sasagot?
Oo.
Ikaw sasagot. Okay. Who gives shark present at Christmas?
Ano ulit?
Who gives sharks present at Christmas?
Shark? Joke yan, day. Shark?
Baby shark?
Baby shark.
Who gives sharks present at Christmas?
Oh.
Oh, sige, kayo.
Sino?
Shanta.
Short pa? Sabihin ko na.
Ah.
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus. Santa Claus.
Claus.
Osing-osi yan. Walang tumawa.
What is the name of the orangutan in the Jungle Book?
Orangutan?
Nanood ba kayo ng Jungle Book? Wala rin alam. Baka sila Joey alam to. Walang have this one yet.
Ayan, first time din ni Ate Zoe. Si Nicola, na-try niya na yun before. Call it. Nicola got it. Oh, that's it. Yeah, you have to wear the hat. Ay, that's ano.
Read it. With your mic.
Why did the fish blush?
Why?
Because it's on the ocean's bottom.
Oh.
Get
Hindi
it?
nag-blush kasi nakita daw yung puwet ng ocean.
It's not.
Pinoy.
Kasi na pang vice ganda yun sa...
Okay, Riker. I'll go. Pull that one.
Pull.
Okay, ready? You pull that one.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, pull!
Hold it, Riker. Hold it tight.
2 hands, right there. 1, 2, 3, go!
Harder.
Go the way.
Half a bit.
1, 2, 3, go!
Wow! Ay, ang sarap ng kalamay. Nandito.
Sabi, tanong mo yung title ko.
Wagi. Kurabin me daw, ate.
Could have been me.
Sarap niyan. Wala, technical issue pa yun sa akin. So, siya mo naman kapag-game. Wala, nag-charge pa ulit. Ewan ko pa ba't dito charge kanina? Pasaway. So, si Ate Maribel muna. Okay, go. Ang palaro niya ay... Jack and Poy.
Rock, paper, scissors, go!
Just one, 5.
Rock, paper, scissors. Are you going to win?
10 seconds.
Ano ba yun? Rock, paper, scissors. Kalaban ko daw si Madam. Sino ang kasala? Magkalaban si Ben, tsaka si Mark. Rock, paper, scissors daw.
Hindi, sabay-sabay. Kung sino yung mananalo, mag-stay.
Oh, okay. 1 point
only.
So, whoever wins, stay.
We'll stay. We'll go.
Sabi mo ang bilang, hindi lang namin bilang.
3, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Only one.
Only one time. Whoever wins will stay. Whoever lose will go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, bato.
I think I know what Mo's doing. I gotta figure this one out. Look at his camera. Scissors.
Tulog naman eh. Second chance.
Hindi rin siya mature ni Talia kasi dinaan ni Talia.
Ay, ganda din yan.
Ay, mahulaan niya to, no? Ito na lang.
Ay, alam ko yan.
Ganda yan.
Easy naman.
I'm drinking beer!
Dali na. Alam niya guys, pero hindi niya alam yung title. Title. 1, 2, 3, 4. No! Talo ka. Okay, championship na kami guys. So, kailangan matama nila yung one song. Lima yung maglalaban. Oh my God! Oh, kinakanta. What's the title na? Ina si Talia. Kaya nanalo si Talia. Sabay cookies.
Magbigay ng Pinoy na ulam. 1 week lang, magbibigay pa ako. 1 week, go, tsaka kayo ha. Okay. Pinoy na ulam. Sa partner kami, baka partner kayo, dapat para sila sasabihin mo. 1, 2, 3, go! Favorite Disney character. 1, 2, 3, go! Cinderella!
Mali.
Sino?
Okay. Humagi na.
Give me brand, shoe brand. 1, 2, 3, go! Nike! Nike!
Pareha. Gosh. Oh my gosh.
Give me the title of favorite channel. Kids channel. 1, 2, 3, go!
Wow, panalo. Okay, the Briggs na.
Head, shoulders, knees, toes, head, toes, knees, toes, head, cut!
Sige, concentration. Sige. Kailangan ma-shoot. Balik. Balik.
We'll start from the youngest. Finley. Sino ang nabunot ni Finley?
Ate Talia. Sit down here.
Talia, you sit down there and open your present.
Ate Talia.
Dapat i-describe mo yung nabunot mo. Para
Okay. Monita. Okay, dali.
Ate Talia.
Wow.
Ate Mary.
Yeah, you wait for your name to be called.
Okay,
Okay?
open your...
Okay, open it, Rika.
No, you have to sit down there.
Are you sit down there, Baba?
Namulat pa siya eh.
Careful with the...
Open. What's that record?
Oh, wow! Oh, wow! It's a tank top. Okay, Rika.
Ibulong mo sa kanya para masabi niya yung sa mic. May magahin mo kay Ana. Rika. Yeah.
Dala.
Wait, upload, yay! Hello, what's your name? How are you?
Here.
Say the name. Bulong mo.
It's a baby.
It's a baby, Rika. Say the baby.
It's for a baby.
For a baby.
Baby.
It's a baby.
Give it to Finley. Yay! Oh, Here's your present from Veronica. Yay! Oh, call Harley. Riker. Presents? Ang dami.
You give it to Ate Harley.
Oh, Ate Harley.
Ate Harley.
Ate Harley, your present.
Okay, Harley can sit there na.
Yun ba? Yung dress niya naman, ate.
Rip off everything.
Yan, sirain mo na lang.
Dami tape. So, wait.
Our summer toys! Wow!
wow, cute.
Hi.
Okay.
Ang nagulat ko ay yung light na dumating.
Very late. Filipino time pa siya.
Nasa parking lang.
Nagtambay lang sa park. Oh, wow! Oh my God! May bagong outfit. Merry Christmas!
Ang nabunot ko ay since late ako, tumambay ako sa parking nila.
I-open. Hindi mo pa alam yan.
Ay, isend na lang yung mga banking details. Perfume, request. Yes. Okay, ako na.
Exciting, exciting.
Okay.
Ay, makinig, makinig.
Okay, then. Ako ay Mark
Wala.
Oh my God, so perfect.
You have to open it yourself.
Yeah, open it.
Sure, it's for me. So it's like,
What is it, Mark? What is it, Mark?
is that for me?
Bring it out. Bring it out. What is it? We have to know. We have to know.
Yes, for your
It's for me. I like this. Can I see you with it? Mark, can I see you with it?
No, it's for you also. It's for you also when she wears it.
I'm wearing it. That's for you. What is it? I got excited for Cookie.
Ate Zoe. Oh, may pa-chocolate.
Oh, wow.
Oh, your favorite anime. Oh.
What's two pairs of shoes? You win one?
Okay, go babe. Open your present.
No, open long.
You open it. You sit down there. You gotta sit down. You didn't saw the funny part.
That's right.
Yeah.
You made it.
Yung kasama talaga ng
Ito na. Ah.
Yung nabunod ko po, babae.